Hello everyone, my name is Santosh Kumar. Now I am going to discuss about exception handling in Python. What is an exception handling? An exception is an error that happens during an execution of a program. Whenever there is an error, Python generates an exception that could be handled. Exception handling, the property of identifying the problem or an issue in the program and finding the solution for it. It is called an exception handling. How is exception handling used? Exception handling is used for the following reasons. One is error handling, another one is code segmentation. Error handling is the technical programs abnormally ends with the producing outputs if there are kinds of errors. These kinds of errors could be recognized earlier stages and exception could be raised. Code segmentation. This helps segmentation and helps to find error block wise if any. Except block is a block of code where there is an implementation may or may not exist. Group errors, grouping errors and errors differentiation. The grouping errors are the error types are. There are mainly two types of errors. One is syntax errors, another one is runtime errors. Syntax errors. The errors which are caused by the individual syntax is known as syntax error. These syntax errors are done by the users or compilers. Here is the example: if x is equals to 0 and print hello. Here is the syntax error. And runtime errors. Runtime error is a program error that occurs while the program is under the execution. While the program is executed, under it has a error. Runtime errors are commonly called as bugs and are often found during the bugging process before softwares are released. There are variety types of runtime errors that occurs such as logical errors, input-output errors, undefined errors, division by zero errors, and many more. Here is call me is equals to brand and print call me. Here is the name error. Call me is not defined. Here is the syntax. Syntax try and block of statement and except the execution code when there is an exception. Here is the block of statement else and block of statement finally block of statement. Here is example 1. Try print of 4 by 0. Except division error. Print division by 0 error. Division by 0 error. Any number by 0 becomes an error. So we have raised an exception here that is called division by 0 error. And example 2. Try print 4 plus Prasad. Accept type error as E. Print E. Output type error. Here is the numerical value plus string is not is a error. So we have to raise an exception here that is called type error. So we have an output as type error. And thank you.